Hi all, welcome. We'll start the program in 3 minutes. Please remind your friends, ask them to join. We are going to start the program in 3 minutes. Yeah, hi all. Still many are yet to join. Let's wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Then we'll start the program. Today's topic is on data set source, from where we can get the data sets. That is a topic. Let's wait for a minute. We'll start exactly at 7 o'clock. Yes, it's exactly 7 o'clock now. Don't see my laptop time. I'm 3 minutes faster than real IST, actual IST. Okay. So what is this program? Today's program. Today's program is the source for data sets. For any AI-based projects, data sets plays very, very important role. It should be labeled data sets. From where we can get these data sets? There are n number of sources available to get these data sets. So the first kind of source, the first source for data set is, by the way, let me introduce our society. Our society name is Artificial Intelligence Medical and Engineering Researchers Society. This society contains group of medical doctors and engineers, those who love to do research on medical domain using AI. This is a society is all about. So let us start the program. The first source is dataset search engine itself. Dataset search engine. So from where you can get this dataset search engine? Just search with the Google, search in Google called dataset search engine. For any kind of datasets, you can use this dataset search engine, dataset search engine. It is directly from Google. There are plenty of datasets already available where you can search and you can get it from. For example, if you want to search something related to DNA datasets. You can type here. Many labeled datasets will be available. Many labeled, which are already annotated datasets will be available. So the first source for any datasets is dataset search engine. So very important one. You can make a note of it. So I'm opening the chat box. Let me know what kind of data sets you are looking for. First thing, you can get directly this numerical based data sets are available, image based data sets are available, video based data sets are also available here. So the first source is this data set. So let me know, please post your comments, what kind of data sets you're looking for. So let us search them. Chat box is enabled. Please post your required data sets. For example, if you are searching something related to, image data set, yes, what kind of image are you looking for? Glaucoma fundus image, okay. So for example, if you just search with glaucoma, especially for glaucoma, we have eye-related data sets are available. I'll share those website names also in a couple of minutes. So just search with the word glaucoma. In dataset search engine, almost all kinds of things will be available. Okay, MRI scan dataset. What kind of MRI scan you're looking for? For lungs or for kidneys or for brain? Or what kind of MRI scan? Do you have any specific thing? But most importantly, we need labeled data sets. Just collecting images not enough. Just collecting images not enough. They should be labeled. Okay. So what's the first source for us? The first source is dataset search engine. Second important one is Grand Challenge. Grand Challenge. Grand-challenge.org. Grand-challenge.org. Here some hundreds of medical data sets which are available. Labeled data sets are available. If you notice here, almost 336 challenges are available. Almost most of the medical based data sets. So the second source is Grand Challenge. Just click on the challenges. Eye related n number of things are already available. Let us search something related to eye. Only one is there. Actually, 186 challenges are available. You can check the previous challenges also. For example, 2-3 years back, some challenges already completed. Their data sets will be available directly. Okay. So the first thing what you can do is check the old challenges. Check the old challenges in this grand-challenge.org. Okay. This is the second best source. And the third one, you already know, most of you are already using it, Kaggle. The third data set is Kaggle. You already know, most of you are already using it. So I'm not much stressing about this Kaggle one. Next one is, if it is related to neuroimaging. Oasis is one of the things. Oasis. Search for Oasis. This is one kind of place where you can get something related to brain-related data sets. Oasis is also one of the good things. We can give it a try. This is another source for data sets. Another one is FDA. Search for FDA. Here also drugs-related data sets are available. Drugs-related data sets are available in this particular website. Next one is Open Neuro. Another source for the data sets is Open Neuro. Again, brain-related data sets are available because most of these days, most of the people are doing a lot of research on brain. For that, I'll suggest one particular website. called Big Brain Project, Big Eye Project. Couple of projects are there. Big Brain Project. One particular project is there. I recommend you to explore this Big Brain Project, what they do, what they are doing. This thing, I would like to recommend you to explore this when you are working on brain related stuff. Yeah, this is not for newbies, those who already know how to play with the data sets. Today's program is not for newbies. It is for the people, those who already know how to play with various algorithms related to AI. So Big Brain Project. Second one is I Project. That is also another fantastic things, I Project. Next one is Open Neuro. Search with the word called Open Neuro. Open Neuro dataset. Here is a website. All datasets are not free. Some companies will sell the datasets. Some companies will sell the datasets. So you can give it a try and you can check the things. Another good source is IEEE itself. IEEE is also having a lot of repository of datasets. A lot of repositories are available directly at IEEE websites. So if you wish to explore, you can explore IEEE datasets also. You already know Kaggle, so I'm not giving much stuff related to Kaggle. Next one is USA government is maintaining some sort of data. USA government is maintaining some sort of data. For example, healthdata.gov. Healthdata.gov. If you go to this particular website, you can find something related to health. Some open data sets related to DNA are also available. Open data sets related to DNA analysis, DNA sequence of various places are also available. So this is another source for the data sets. If you're looking for non-medical based data sets and statistics, non-medical based data sets and statistics, Indian government is also maintaining some APIs like data.gov. Just go to the website. This is from USA. Okay, this is from USA, specially dedicated for health. If you're looking for non-medical and other kind of statistics, if you're a newbie and if you want to explore a few things, and if you don't want to work on medical immediately, still you want to explore some APIs, and if you want to know some statistics, then this particular website is from government. Data.gov.in is the website. This is from Indian government. Almost all countries are maintaining the data. For example, if you remove this .in, you'll go to USA website. If you place .uk, you'll get UK statistics. .au, Australia-based datasets are available. So data.gov, I'll hold on for a few seconds. It will be loaded. Yeah. You can see here some APIs and some data directly available, but most of these are non-medical. And we are not authorized to collect someone's medical data like this. We are not authorized to collect medical data like this. We have to follow some compliances. If we directly collect someone's data set with their name, they may sue us. Okay. So when you're doing it, you have to take written permission from the customer that you will not misuse their client data. And you have to follow HIPAA compliance while processing and storing the data. And it is mandatory. Today in India, we have DPA, Data Protection Act is available. So if someone sues you, if you are not authorized to go to some hospital and you're not authorized to collect their data, okay, even that hospital can be sued if you collect like that. And if you misuse the data, even if not just misusing, even if you just collect without client permission, you may be sued. So the data should be anonymized, and with the permission of patient only, we have to collect the data. Okay. This data is for common. This data is for common for most of the non-medical data is available. For example, in which state a specific disease is there regularly. For example, in August and September, in some areas, malaria will be there. In summer, some sort of diseases will come in some sort of specific areas. Those statistics you can give a try. Okay, with that statistics you can get some insights. Okay, those six things we can give a try. This is non-medical. Remaining all are medical data. Next one is genomics. For example, if you are looking for especially again DNA related, you can search with the word called 1000 projects. Earlier they used to collect some hundreds of projects like this. 1000 genomics project. Search with the word called 1000 genomes project. This is the one. Even National Geographical Channel also supported for collecting the data sets. If there is any voice difference in my from my side, just let me know in the chat box. Yeah, this is genomics. 1000, not just 1000, sorry, 10,000, more than 10,000 data is available here. You can give a try with this. Okay, so another important one, you can also give a try with this particular website called RoboFlow. RoboFlow is also having 5 lakh data sets. roboflow.com. What's the count of this website? I already shared you more than 10 websites. So RoboFlow, I think it is 12th or which website? What's the count of this website? RoboFlow, 12th website. Okay. So RoboFlow is one of the fantastic websites which give us a lot many data sets along with they'll share the code also. RoboFlow is also one of the fantastic things you can give it a try. But the first one, dataset search engine, is enough. It will share some hundreds of source for us. Hold on for a few seconds. Let us see those 5 lakh data sets. For namesake, 5 lakh data sets are available, but useful data sets are very less. I'll share a few more things to you. Please be hold on. Next one is MD.AI. MD.AI is another kind of websites for labeling medical, especially for medical related images. For labeling purpose, you can use this MD.AI. Don't expect things for free. Everything is not free. Pay something to get something. Okay. So this particular website is not free. If we expect things for free, our data they'll sell us. They'll sell to someone else. So we should not expect things for free of cost. Pay something to get something. This particular website is not free. Okay, for especially for medical labeling, you can give a try. Yeah, this is the RoboFlow. As I told you, around 5 lakh data sets are already available. Don't expect all data sets are useful. Very few data sets are useful. Anyways, you can mix multiple data sets and you can form one data sets. For example, if you are searching for lungs related issues, just search with that word. See, 107 images, 41 images. Obviously, this particular data set will not be helpful for us because how can we train our model with 107 images? At least we need 5,000 images for good accuracy, right? See, this is having 9,440 images and 2 classes are there. Object detection, perfect. If such type of number is not available, then what we can do is we can mix multiple data sets. We can mix multiple data sets so that we'll get some output. Okay, here 972. Okay, somewhat okay. This is good. 3,000, around 4,000 images are there. lung cancer, 100 images. Maybe topic is good, but 100 images not worthy. Around 3,000 images are good. Even if we increase, not an issue. Yes. Next one. After this RoboFlow, RoboFlow is fantastic. They'll provide a lot of places for us for training the model, for inferencing the model. Even for inferencing the model also, they'll allow us. Okay. Now, where we can label these things. Labeling also, for labeling also, we can use RoboFlow. For example, if you want to label some data set. For example, last time we have labeled some chess projects. We did some chess labeling here. Let me show you a small sample for labeling. For labeling, you can also try this md.ai. This is not free. RoboFlow, for few images, it is free. For few images, it is free. Okay, let me show you a sample labeling. I already uploaded all my images in this website. Let me start annotating. Just open the image. Right side, you'll get the toolbar where you can use the toolbar for annotation purpose. Yeah. Here is a sample image. For example, if you're trying with tumor detection, for example, consider this as a brain image. This is not a brain image, I know that, but for some time, just consider this as a brain image. Okay. You have to hire some radiologists or neurologists to detect whether that particular MRI scan or based upon the MRI scan, whether that particular brain is having any tumor or not. Okay, how to do that? For example, consider this as a brain. Okay, for example, let me delete these. Here is the rectangle toolbar. Three type of things you can do. One is augmentation. Sorry, one is segmentation. Second one is this direct labeling with the round boxes. The third one is classification. So if you want to do object detection, you can use this tool. Segmentation, different stories there. For segmentation, different stories there. So just select this particular tool, select appropriate that particular tumor. That particular tumor, hold like this. This belongs to tumor. You can mention also type of tumor, type 1 tumor, type 2 tumor. You can mention like that also. For example, this is white knight, WKN. Just select that one, it will become white knight. Like that, you have to upload all the images. Once you collect all the images from hospital, you have to take written permission from all the patients. Okay, before you collect any before you collect any data related to medical, you have to take written permission, a kind of approval from the patient. Okay, after taking that permission, then you can label it. Whether that particular, you can classify, you can use this for classification purpose also, like whether it is glaucoma or not, or type 1 or type 2, what kind of issue is there. After that, you have to label it. Okay, you have to label it. Also called as annotation. This is one of the fantastic platforms for labeling. Second platform which I like most is Supervisely. Supervisely is also one of the fantastic platforms. Supervisely.com. I like this a lot. For chess labeling, we use this particular platform. This is also one of the fantastic platforms. You can give it a try. Around 345 participants are there, 344 participants, including me. Within 2 or 3 minutes, we'll close the topic because these are the websites I want to share with you. Okay, if you wish to share few more, but remember the first website, Dataset search engine itself will provide you almost all kind of resources for you. So once you search here, this is one of the best options. Second one is Grand Challenge. If you can't find anywhere, we have to do some MOUs with medical hospitals. Okay, you have to do some MOU with medical hospitals. then you have to get it. Otherwise, not easy task. Yes. For example, if you take this supervisory, very long back we did with our interns around 132 members. You can note here. With our interns, we did this chess labeling 2 years back. Yeah, you can notice here. This is 2 years back data. This is 3 years back data. Oh, I already reached 63 GB around. I'm using it. Okay. Anyways, come here. This annotation is also a good one. For annotation purpose, you can use this supervisory. Again, same rectangle tool you can use. It's loading. Please hold on for a few seconds. Yes, you can notice the labeling part here. Segmentation also can be done here with the help of the same tool. Not only rectangle, you can use this particular tool also. For example, if it is if that particular object is not just a square or rectangle type, then you can use these points. For example, this point, this point, this point, this point. Like that, you can make a kind of segmentation also you can do with these kinds of tools. Okay. I recommend you to explore this supervisory. Supervisory also allow you to export the things to different file formats. For example, if you want to train your model in YOLO, for example, if you want to train your model in YOLO, you can export to YOLO format. See, export to different formats also, they will allow us to do it. Show all 15 apps. So whatever the algorithm you are using, if it is famous, then that particular format also you can export. So that you no need to do, because various algorithms takes data in various formats. If it is not available, then you have to do it again. Okay. Yes, Ajay. Okay. One second. Guys, 1 second. I have to go to hall. My father is waiting. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. 2 minutes. Yeah, sorry, I'm back. My father needs some assistance, so I went there. Okay. So these are some of the important websites. You can get proper format to as per your model will be there, right? I mean, your algorithm will be there, right? According to your algorithm, you can export the things one after labeling. So these are the things. Let me know some of your questions. We'll take some of your questions. You can go to reactions, raise a hand. I'll unmute you. You can ask a couple of questions. We'll close it. Yeah, Hindumati madam, what you want me to repeat? Everything cannot be repeated, right? So what you want me to repeat? You can unmute yourself, madam. Website names. Okay, I'll share YouTube video. Please check that video, madam. Yes, Sunita madam, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Yeah, sir, EEG data sets are there now, sir. Like some other websites also we can find like a data camp and all the things, sir. Sir,
Yeah, hundreds of
exactly
websites
what?
are there. Yeah.
Yeah, the hundreds of websites are there. How means
Hmm.
according to my project, why? Because I'm doing in that only. So what
What's your
can?
project?
Well, actually, I'm doing my PhD. So I would like to do in that by taking the EEG data sets, can we identify is there any
EEG.
brain? Yeah, EEG data
Yeah.
sets.
Open Neuro is available. Open Neuro. I already shared that particular website.
Yes,
Open
you
Neuro.
told sir that is
Yeah.
okay.
You can
Can
try
we take
this.
it from?
Open Neuro.
Okay, okay,
You can directly download them.
download it. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Then
Open
directly I
Neuro.
can. Yeah, sir. I have a small dot. One more. Sorry to
Yeah.
disturb you. So there itself, whatever the data I have collected, and I can use those things in my supervisory and whatever you informed, like md.ai and
These things are
roboflow.com.
already labeled. These things are already labeled because
Okay.
if you're just downloading the raw data, how can you
Ah,
label it? Because you're not
okay.
radiologist, right? You're not radiologist.
No.
You're not neurologist.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Just
sir.
collecting the images. What can you do? After collecting the images, you have to hire a neurologist or radiologist. Then you have to
Hmm.
ask him to label it.
Okay. Sure.
Otherwise, you have to download the labeled data. You
Label
have to
the
download
data.
the
Okay.
labeled data. Then only it will be
Hmm.
helpful. Otherwise, it's
Okay.
simply an image. We cannot do anything. Otherwise, you
Right.
can do one thing.
Hmm.
Classification can be done in deep learning, but it may
Okay.
not give you proper result. Unsupervised is not
Yes,
that
sir.
much easy task. Okay, better
Yes, sir.
label it everything. Label everything.
Label.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
welcome. Yeah, Bhavya, please unmute yourself. Ask your question.
Yes, sir.
Bhavya.
Thank you, sir. Is there any datasets available for autism, like ground truth table, MRI datasets?
For autism also MRI? I don't think so, madam. I have to check once because I never heard about this thing, autism related to MRI.
Yes,
The
sir. They
MRI is
are
generally
using
for
some
brain.
SMR and
Yeah,
FMR. Yes, sir.
okay.
So,
Autism linked
yes,
to
sir.
MRI, I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
We have to check
Okay.
because
Yes, sir.
tumors kind of things can be analyzed. You can
Yes,
do
sir.
one thing. For autism, you can try for EEG instead of MRI. MRI is just an image. You cannot get much thing. I don't have much knowledge related to that. But anyways, what I
Okay.
want to share with you is uh, try with EEG, okay, for
Yes, sir.
autism instead of
Sir,
image.
yes, sir. Sir, in this datasets, is there any available EEG dataset for autism? Like you are shared some links,
Yeah,
sir.
we
I
have to
will
check.
explore
Yeah, we
that.
have to check. EEG datasets were available. For EEG,
Okay.
datasets are available. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You
Yes,
can
sir.
connect from hospital, take written permission from all the patients. You can analyze because most of the hospitals these days are having EEG devices. They can do that
Okay.
stuff.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Sir, is there any other possible datasets, EEG kind of datasets for autism prediction?
Autism, I haven't explored, madam. We'll check once. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So thank you all participants. I'll share our form link to you. Please hold on for 2 minutes. I will share the form. Those who are looking for participant certificate, because some people ask for participant certificates, I'll be sharing the link in our chat box. After 15 minutes, the link will be closed. Please be hold on for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll create the link because just few minutes back, somebody asked for participant certificate. But please remember, certificates are just like tissue papers. Knowledge is the ultimate thing. Certificates, so tissue papers are better than certificates. I believe in that thing. Please be hold on for a few seconds. I'm sharing the Google form. It's only for memory. Okay, just for memory purpose, you can use these certificates. Please be hold on for 2 more minutes. I'm just creating a form. I'll share in our chat box. Yeah, meanwhile, if you have any questions, please post in the chat box. We'll take a couple of questions. Yeah, I'm sharing the link now. You can use chat box for questions. Yes, I just posted link in the group. For stars and galaxies, any data sets are available. Felix, I saw your name somewhere. Felix, unmute yourself. I saw your name. I remember your name somewhere. Felix, unmute yourself. Where are you from?
I'm from Avanti College, sir.
Avanti College. Okay, good, good. So for stars and galaxies, check with NASA once. But what you want to do with stars and galaxies? What your project is all about? What is your project is all about? What you want to do? You can unmute yourself and say.
Sir, actually, there are different types of stars. Every day we can see them, sir. But most of the people don't know what types of stars they are looking into, or what they are. Some of the fake websites are also being arranged nowadays.
Okay, I'll do
They are
one thing.
going
Just make a note of one particular thing. Make a note of this particular website application called SkyMap. Don't unmute yourself. Okay. Yes. Sorry, don't mute yourself, Felix. What's the web application name I told you? SkyMap. Open Play Store. Search with the word called SkyMap. You no need to do all these data sets, labeling, all those things. Just use SkyMap. You can directly identify what kind of star you're watching, name of that star, and you can see various zodiacs. You can do a number of things with that particular website called, that particular application called SkyMap.
time.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
For that, you no need to do all these things. This data sets, labeling, this is a different story. If you want to explore the galaxies, you can use that SkyMap. Yes. Next website for skin diseases. Yeah. Skin diseases also same websites will be helpful, Lata. Plenty of websites are available related to skin disease also. The same list goes on. The same websites, you can find that also. Yes. Next question. This is my first class. I'm unable to get. Sai Kirtana. This is the first class for advanced people, not for beginners. Kirtana is for advanced people. Okay. Not for beginners. Yeah, Ajay Kumar, you can ask. Unmuting you, you can ask your question. Ajay Kumar, you can ask. Unmute yourself and ask.
Sir,
Yes, Ajay.
sir, is Tor completely anonymous? I mean, if you are using Tor browser,
No. Completely anonymous in the sense, are you going to do any crime or what?
no, sir.
Then why do you want Tor? Tor is not completely anonymous. It is funded by FBA. If you're a terrorist, they'll catch you. Don't do the nonsense activities. Okay. Tor is not 100% anonymous. Only your network administrator cannot catch you. But the activities what you're doing, FBA can identify that. Tor is supported by FBA. What are you doing, Ajay?
No, sir, nothing.
No, what do you do generally?
I'm a student.
Okay, fine. Geospatial data, Sujit, very good question. For geospatial data, NASA datasets will be helpful to you. And weather data is also available. US is doing a lot of geospatial data, especially where the mines are. Sujit, very good question. Geospatial data. See, most of the things follow a pattern. Most of things follow a pattern. For example, world itself will follow a pattern. Circle, square, some pattern will be there. Surely mines also will follow some pattern. So US government is maintaining this mines data. Sujit, search for geospatial data, especially mines related and weather related data sets are also available. From last uh, 20, 25 years of cyclones data, how the cyclone is formed and how it is moving from one location to another location, and how it is getting strengthened. That information is also available with USA. So Sujit, are you working on any geospatial related stuff? Can you unmute yourself, Sujit? Sujit, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
No, sir. I'm just researching on it. I'm working with hobby projects with geospatial
Okay, what do you
data.
do?
Sir, I am ML engineer, sir.
Where, which company? If you're okay to
Siemens.
share.
Yeah,
Siemens. Okay.
Siemens.
Okay, good, good. So US government is having that particular data. It's one of the fantastic things. I recommend you to explore that one. Mines also should follow some pattern. So if you can extract that pattern, be a very good project. Cyclones, cloud information also there with that.
Okay, sir. I'll check.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. So that's all for today. I'm sharing this participant certificate link again in the group. Within 2 minutes, we are going to end the meeting. Thank you very much for all the participants for joining. Yes, Pujita, satellite images based, yes, they're available. Satellite images are also available. Just message me, I'll share a couple of things. Anyways, just search in the dataset search engine, you'll get it. You don't need to message me. Just search in dataset search engine. Plenty of satellite images are available, especially from NASA. Yeah. Yeah, Bhima, unmuting you can ask.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Bhima.
Good evening. This is Dr. M. Gimling, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. I'm working as a professor in Malini Lakshmi Women's Engineering.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
Hello. I did PhD in computer science and engineering from JIT Anantapur, sir.
Okay.
Now I'm doing research project proposals and I'm submitting research project proposals in deep learning, machine learning, these things, sir.
Okay.
For AICT, UGC, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs projects proposals. I'm writing in including IoT based machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, all these things, sir.
Okay.
DST, AGC, AICT, all research
What's the question?
proposals. Actually, I'm writing research proposals, sir. My question.
Okay. Okay.
In the research proposal means I'm submitting research proposals for funding for grant fundings, sir.
Okay.
Can you help me in this regard, sir?
We don't support in those aspects, sir.
Hmm.
We don't support
I'm
in those
also
aspects.
I'm also publications. Also, I have done publications in the deep learning and machine learning publications.
What we can
also
do is our AIMERS society is a platform. It's a platform of various researchers. Generally, we don't support such type of things. What you can do is, are you our AIMERS society member or in our group, AIMERS researchers group?
No, sir, I am not a society member. I have to take
our individual member. Yeah, if you are our individual member, we'll add you to our.
How can I take membership, sir?
Yeah, you can go to AIMERSsociety.com. AIMERSsociety.com. Again, let me repeat it, sir. We don't write any kind of such type of proposals. It's a platform
not proposal,
of various
sir.
researchers.
Just advise or suggestions. If
Yeah, we can.
me for me.
You'll be added to group. You can discuss there, sir.
Okay,
You
sir.
can discuss. Okay,
Okay,
but
sir.
don't just join thinking that we'll support in that aspect. We can
Okay,
only
sir.
add you to group. You have to discuss and you have to get
Already I've
appropriate
done
resource.
already a number of publications I've done, sir, in
Okay, sir.
the machine learning, deep learning, 5 publications. Remaining my
Okay,
research
sir.
area is mobile ad hoc networks, wireless sensor, wireless
Okay.
mobile ad hoc networks. Now I'm
Okay, sir.
migrating to this data science and machine learning, deep learning
Okay, sir.
books.
Nice.
I also publish books also, but I don't have a
Okay.
practical knowledge. I'm not much of aware
Yeah,
of.
somebody may help you, sir. Somebody who is having that related experience.
I know
You can post your request.
Okay, sir.
Somebody
I know
may help you, sir.
theoretically I'm very strong in theoretical concepts, but practically in practical implementation I am not
Okay,
that much, sir. So I need industrial, sir, that one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, Kunal Alladi, welcome, sir. Kulan Alladi.
Sir,
Geospatial data will be a lot of GB. Yes, actually, lot of space you need, Kunal. That's why sometimes you can go with this particular thing like AWS. You can take the support of AWS to store and process your data. Okay, size is very huge. Generally, our normal systems may not support it. Okay, at that time, go ahead, fine tune the things in AWS. Use AWS for inferencing as well as fine tuning the things. Okay. Okay. Thank you all participants for joining today's session. Last time sharing the link in our chat box. Last time. Within 30 seconds, we are going to end the meeting. Thank you. Thank you very much.